Growing YouTubers, we need to talk. Because some of you are out here committing YouTube crimes on a daily, and I need to understand why. Like, do we need to form a support group? Because some of these things y'all are doing leave me with so many questions. And I'm here to call it out, with love of course. But if you feel attacked, it's probably because you're guilty. So today, let's talk about 12 things growing YouTubers do that low-key hurts their channel. If you're guilty, just say, ouch, in the comments. Let's get right into it. Welcome to Pegasa. I'll see you right after this. Number 1, uploading long videos with no audience. Now I get it. You worked hard, you recorded, you edited, you put your heart and soul into this video. And now you want me to watch a 35-minute vlog or sit-down video about your day, even though I do not know you. Isn't that a little bit delusional? Even people with millions of subscribers struggle to get a full watch on their long-form videos. Meanwhile, your average view duration is 3 minutes and you're still out here dropping documentaries. Be for real. Number 2, uploading every day with no strategy. Because posting every day is cute if you have a strategy. But if you're just posting random vibes, hoping that one day one video will go viral, you are burning yourself out for no reason at all. And you better be sure your content is evergreen. Not today I ate rice, tomorrow I ate beans. Please. Number 3, expecting fellow YouTubers to watch your entire video. Listen, I love community support, but some of you are out here shocking me to my bone marrow. You upload a 25-minute video and then comment under my video full watch. Really? My dear, even your shadow left at the 5-minute mark. Be serious. Number 4, ignoring your audience retention metrics. Have you ever checked your average view duration, or do you just post and hope for a miracle? Sis, people are not watching till the end. Yet you keep making this 20-minute TED talk like we don't have data problems. The numbers are telling you to chill. You had better listen to them. Number 5, generic and irrelevant comments under videos. You ever go through your comments and from there you just know these people didn't watch my video. Nice video, here again. Great content, bro or sis. First to do what exactly? At least pretend like you watched. Comment something that actually makes sense. This isn't a raffle draw. Number 6. This one permit me to laugh because Number 6, premieres with no one watching. Why are you premiering a video and there are only 2 people in the chat? One of them is you. This is not Skinny Girl in Transit. See, just upload the thing normally. Stop setting yourself up for heartbreak. Number 7, sub for sub. Just subscribe to me and I'll subscribe back. So both of you will be ghost subscribers on each other's channels. Is this a pyramid scheme? Sub for sub doesn't grow your channel. It just inflates numbers with people who do not actually care about your content. We've all done this though. Guilty as charged. Number 8, clickbait titles with no payoff. You title the video "I almost died," but when we click the video, it is just you crossing the road. Lol. You need to be sent to the YouTube jail if you keep doing that. Stop it. Number 9, terrible thumbnails and no branding. If your thumbnail looks like a PowerPoint slide from 2004, how would you expect people to click? Why would they click? What sort of expectation is that? Please just use Canva or hire somebody or learn. It's not that deep. Number 10, inconsistent uploads and then complaining. You disappear for like 3 months and then come back saying, hey guys, I'm back. Sis, we never knew you were gone. Number 11, overusing YouTube Shorts with no strategy. You keep posting shots that get you 2 views. No hook, no engagement, just vibes. Are you trying to grow your channel or start an art project? Number 12, not engaging with your audience. Even if it's fellow YouTubers, they still watch, they still drop comments, so why aren't you engaging? You post a video, people comment and you don't even reply. Some of you just like. What's that? What is that? You like that? What happened? So me that I typed, I did not know what I was doing. The least you can say is, thank you so much for engaging. Thank you for supporting. And put like a love emoji there. Will that take anything from you? No. If Adele can reply to fans, so can you. Engage with your audience. It is called social media for a reason. Capish? Look, I say all of this with love. So if you're guilty of any of this, fix up. Which of these have you seen the most? Or be honest, which of these are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. No judgment. Maybe just a little. If you resonate with this video, do not forget to like, to comment, to share with fellow YouTubers. Yes, we all need to do better. We all need to fix up. And of course, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications. Until I come your way again, I remain Fadessa. Live, love, and be happy always. It is bye for now. Bye-bye. If your thumbnail looks like a PowerPoint slide, post a video, people comment, and you post a video, people comment, and you don't even Meanwhile, your average view duration is 3 minutes, and your average view duration is 3 minutes, and you're out here still dropping, and you're still out here dropping documents.